English conversation practice for beginners. Listen and repeat. Good morning.
Good morning.
Do you speak English?
I understand English, but I can't speak it well.
Do you like the English language?
Yes, I like the English language.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Germany.
Do you like German schnitzel?
Yes, I love German schnitzel.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 10th.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have a sibling.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one sibling.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because it's essential for my work.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend's name is Jane.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning.
What do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to go hiking.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I have been to a zoo.
Where do you work?
I work at a bookstore called Read It All.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sausages.
Do you have any pets?
No, unfortunately, I don't have any pets.
When do you go to bed at night?
I go to bed at 11:30 p.m. at night.
What do you like to watch on TV?
I like to watch Thrillies on TV.
How do you get to work?
I go to work by bus.
What's the weather like today?
Today, the weather is sunny and warm.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have a hobby. I like to paint.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Spain on my last vacation.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English 2 years ago.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to play video games.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Munich, Germany.
Have you ever traveled by plane?
Yes, I have traveled by plane.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Adele.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday I went shopping.
What are you doing right now?
Right now, I am answering your questions.
Where did you go on your last birthday?
On my last birthday, I went to a restaurant with friends.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is cherries.
Can you ride a skateboard?
No, I can't ride a skateboard, but I want to learn to ride it.
Have you ever seen a wild animal in your neighborhood?
Yes, I once saw a raccoon in my neighborhood.
How do you like your eggs in the morning?
I like my eggs scrambled.
Why do you like your hometown?
I like my hometown because it's peaceful and beautiful.
Do you like to cook traditional dishes from your country?
Yes, I enjoy cooking traditional dishes.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Have you ever been in a talent show?
No, I have never been in a talent show.
What's your favorite type of footwear?
I like wearing sneakers.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find gardening relaxing.